So we're so excited to be able to present them all on our stage right here. Next, we will be presenting Layla Dewey Masla and Irene Schultz. Layla and Irene have been good friends for a long time, since they were 6 and 8 years old. Right now, Layla's in the 8th grade, Irene is in the 9th, so they have been just hanging out and dancing together for quite a while. Irene's favorite genre is classical ballet, while Layla's passion is contemporary dance. So together, they have worked very hard to choreograph tonight's dance for you to Golden Train.
Go, baby. Come on, girls.
Go, Irene and Layla!
Wake up, yeah. Give me some time to watch you sleep. Oh, angel of mine. And I'll be fine as long as you need me. Oh, angel of mine. But tomorrow, if a golden train came to take you away, would you go? Would you stay? Tomorrow, if a golden train came to take you away, would you go? Would you stay? Here in this cozy room, just me and you. Oh, cuddling and kissing, making sweet love, a shooting star wishing to watch the sun come up, and I won't sleep all day, meeting our dreams and live life far away. Drop it all off and we'll fly away, dip through the stars and wake up slowly. But tomorrow, if a golden train came to take you away, would you go? Would you stay? Tomorrow, if a golden train came to take you away, would you go? Would you stay? What did I know for sure? My love for you is deeper.
Woo! Go, Irene! Woo!
What did I know for sure?
Woo!
My love for you is deeper than you.
Nice.
Woo!
Go, baby.
Tomorrow, if a golden train came to take you away, would you go? Would you stay? Tomorrow, if a golden train came to take you away, would you go? Would you stay? Tomorrow, if a golden train came to take you away, would you go?